In this video, we will learn how to set up your profile availability inside GHL. So go to My Profile section. So once you are in the My Profile section, scroll down to your weekly working hours. So let's suppose uh, we'll change that to 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. and we will copy that to other remaining days. Yeah. And once that is done, update that availability. Make sure you have the correct time zone here. So let's update the availability, and this is how you can update your profile availability inside your GHL account. Thank you so much. See you in another video.